Okay, this is going to be a quick how to change the dipstick tube on a 09 Silverado. I think it's 09 through 14 with the 6L80. And a lot of people say you got to drop the transmission, pull the motor out. Somebody tried already, broke it off. This is how you do it. Okay, the body mounts over here on the passenger side. You have to take the bolts out, lift the cab, got to take all 4 bolts off, loosen the bolts on the driver's side, and up here in the front radiator core support, you have to use a 8mm on the bolt because the bolt spins. Use a 18mm on the nut, go in reverse, twist clockwise on that front bolt. The other ones are 21mm, impact them out. Once you've done that, loosen the other side, you come over here and lift the cab by whatever means you may have. I used 2 blocks of wood and lowered the frame down, and then stuck blocks of wood, just small pieces of 2x4 up in there to hold the cab up. And you come under here and you work the dipstick on this side of the exhaust. Go all the way up on through. You've got plenty of clearance up in here. You can work it around, make sure you don't smash into the heater hoses. You have to bend that tab just a little bit. And as you can see, we now have enough room to get it in there. Of course, you just put everything back together in the reverse order. So if you're planning on dropping your tranny or pulling your motor, you don't have to do that.